Your legs might be weakening, and you likely don't even notice it. One day, standing up from a chair feels harder. A few months later, climbing stairs becomes draining. And then, before you realize it, even basic movements feel like a burden. This isn't just part of getting older, it's something more serious: muscle deterioration. It's subtle, slow-moving, and often ignored. And here's the startling truth: your leg muscles are usually the first to weaken. When that happens, your balance falters, your movement suffers, and your fall risk increases dramatically. And just one fall, it can change everything: fractures, hospital visits, and even loss of independence. But here's the hopeful news: you can stop this from happening. What's the key? The right nutrition. A lot of people assume exercise is the only answer for muscle strength. But your diet is just as crucial. Your body needs the right building blocks to repair muscle, support bones, and keep your legs sturdy as you age. In this video, we are sharing 6 powerhouse foods that can reduce leg weakness, build back strength, and help you stay active for years. Stick with me to the end because one of these foods is probably already in your home and chances are you are not getting enough of it. Before we begin, tap the like button and subscribe for weekly wellness tips that could change your life. And tell me in the comments, have you felt any changes in your leg strength lately? Number 1. Sweet potatoes. Your muscles require energy, but not just any kind. They need fuel that lasts. Not the kind that fades fast and leaves you feeling drained midway through your day. That's where sweet potatoes come in. As we grow older, our bodies become less efficient at storing and using energy. You might get tired more quickly, your muscles might not react the same way, and simple tasks like carrying groceries start to feel tougher. It's not just about being strong, it's about having stamina. Sweet potatoes are one of the best sources for sustained energy. Unlike refined grains, think white rice or white bread, which spike your blood sugar and then crash it, sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbs. These digest slowly, delivering a steady stream of energy to your muscles, helping you power through the day. But energy isn't the only factor. Muscle recovery matters just as much. Each time you move, your muscles develop tiny tears. In youth, your body repairs them quickly. But with age, this recovery slows unless your diet gives your body what it needs. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that supports tissue repair. This means fewer sore days, better recovery, and stronger legs long term. They also combat chronic inflammation, a hidden force that gradually wears away your strength and increases your injury risk. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which reduces oxidative damage, the type of damage that accelerates aging and muscle breakdown. And don't forget potassium, an essential mineral for strong, functional leg muscles. Low potassium can cause cramping, weakness, and coordination issues. Sweet potatoes offer plenty of it, supporting muscle contraction, nerve signals, and fluid balance. Even your digestive health plays a role in muscle strength. If your gut isn't absorbing nutrients properly, your muscles miss out. Thanks to their high fiber content, sweet potatoes support gut function, enhance digestion, and help your body use nutrients more effectively. Incorporating them is easy. Roast them, mash them, or turn them into fries. Add them to soups, salads, or smoothies. They're naturally sweet, incredibly versatile, and unlike processed carbs, they won't leave you bloated or fatigued. If you want to stay mobile and independent well into your later years, eating sweet potatoes regularly is one of the simplest yet most effective habits you can adopt. Number 2. Oats. Oats. Many see them as plain breakfast food. But they might just be the hidden hero of strong, resilient legs. As we age, fatigue sets in faster. Stairs feel steeper. Standing too long gets harder. Why? Not just aging but inadequate muscle fuel. Your legs don't just need energy, they need consistent energy. Oats are perfect for this. Unlike sugary or refined grains that spike and crash your blood sugar, oats have a low glycemic index, meaning they release energy slowly and steadily. They help you avoid that drained, sluggish feeling mid-afternoon. And when your muscles get a reliable energy source, they perform better, longer. But oats also support muscle maintenance. They contain plant-based protein, which is key to repairing and building muscle tissue. While it may not match a steak in grams, it's a vital source of amino acids to keep your legs stable and strong. There's also the issue of circulation. Blood flow brings oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Poor circulation means slower recovery, more cramps, and fatigue. Oats are rich in iron, which helps your body deliver oxygen to working muscles. If your legs wear out fast, a lack of iron could be why. Let's not forget magnesium, another must-have for muscle function. It helps prevent spasms, cramps, and that heavy leg feeling that often shows up with age. If you've ever had a painful nighttime cramp, that's your body calling out for more magnesium, and oats can help. Best of all, oats are incredibly versatile. Stir them into smoothies. Add them to yogurt with nuts or berries. Bake them into protein bars. People often ignore simple solutions, thinking they need complex answers. But in reality, nutrient-rich foods like oats can restore strength, stamina, and even improve comfort. Make them a daily habit, and your legs will thank you. Number 3. Avocados. Most people think of avocados as a trendy food, but they're far more than that. They may hold the key to stronger, more flexible, and pain-free legs. Protein gets a lot of the credit for muscle health, but healthy fats are equally vital. Avocados are one of the best natural sources of these fats, especially monounsaturated fats that fight inflammation. As we age, inflammation becomes a quiet enemy. A bit of morning stiffness. A dull ache after walking. Eventually, these signs build up and limit your mobility. The fats in avocados help reduce this inflammation, keeping your joints mobile, your muscles supple, and your legs free of persistent pain. Avocados are also packed with potassium, even more than bananas. Why does this matter? Potassium helps with muscle contraction, hydration, and balance. Low potassium levels can cause leg cramps, spasms, and instability. If your legs feel tired or trembly even after light activity, potassium might be the missing piece. And that's not all. Avocados also contain vitamin E, a muscle-protecting antioxidant. Vitamin E helps your muscles recover from stress, protects against damage, and maintains strength over time. Remember, your legs endure stress daily, from walking, standing, even just moving around the house. Without protection, that stress adds up. Avocados support not just your muscles, but also circulation. Good blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to leg muscles. Avocados fats boost heart health, helping your blood vessels do their job, resulting in stronger, longer-lasting energy in your legs. Adding them to your diet is simple. Slice them on toast. Blend into smoothies. Mash into guacamole. Use as the spread. Or just enjoy with a spoon. They're creamy, satisfying, and an all-around powerhouse for aging legs. Number 4. Salmon. When it comes to preserving muscle and mobility, few foods are as powerful as salmon. As you grow older, your body naturally loses muscle, especially if you are not getting enough high-quality protein. That's where salmon comes in. Salmon is rich in complete protein, which means it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, particularly in the legs, where loss tends to hit first. But salmon does more than just rebuild. It protects. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown in studies to slow muscle loss associated with aging. Omega-3s are potent inflammation fighters. They help reduce stiffness, soreness, and swelling in joints and muscles, especially in the knees, hips, and ankles, which carry the load of your daily movement. If climbing stairs, standing for long periods, or even walking has become uncomfortable, inflammation may be the reason, and salmon can help reduce that discomfort over time. Salmon also supports your nervous system. Why is that important for your legs? Because every movement, big or small, starts with a nerve signal. If your nerves aren't functioning properly, your legs may feel weak, uncoordinated, or even numb. The vitamin B12 in salmon boosts nerve health, improves balance, and helps with coordination, especially critical as you age. And let's not forget vitamin D, another vital nutrient found in fatty fish like salmon. It's essential for maintaining bone strength and muscle control. Low vitamin D has been directly linked to falls, fractures, and leg weakness in older adults. Not a fan of fish? Try canned salmon. It's affordable, long-lasting, and just as nutritious. Or swap with other fatty fish like sardines or mackerel. Aim to eat salmon 2 to 3 times a week. Grilled, baked, or even flaked into salads or wraps, it's a delicious, easy way to stay strong from the ground up. Number 5. Greek yogurt. You may not think of Greek yogurt as a muscle food, but it's one of the most powerful tools for restoring leg strength after 70. Why? Because aging muscles need more protein than ever, and Greek yogurt delivers it in a way that's easy to digest and absorb. It's rich in casein and whey, two forms of protein that work together to rebuild muscle fibers. Whey acts fast, aiding immediate recovery, while casein works slowly, providing fuel for muscle repair long after your meal. For older adults, this combo is a game changer, especially if you've noticed your legs feeling slower or weaker over the years. But there's more to the story. Greek yogurt is high in calcium, which keeps your bones strong and stable. And remember, muscles don't work alone, they depend on your bones for support. Weak bones mean less support for the muscles around your legs and hips, making you more vulnerable to fractures, falls, and instability. Calcium reinforces those bones, while the protein keeps muscles thick, responsive, and flexible. Greek yogurt also supports your gut health. It contains probiotics, good bacteria that improve digestion and help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Think of it this way, you can eat all the healthy foods in the world, but if your gut can't absorb them properly, your muscles won't benefit. By keeping your digestive system healthy, Greek yogurt ensures you get maximum value from every nutrient. Not to mention, it's versatile. Add fruit and nuts for breakfast. Use in smoothies. Swap it for sour cream or mayo. Or enjoy it plain with a drizzle of honey. Just make sure to pick a version with low sugar and high protein, and ideally one with live active cultures. A daily serving of Greek yogurt can help maintain muscle mass, boost recovery, and keep your legs moving strong into your 70s, 80s and beyond. Number 6. Spinach. It might surprise you, but spinach, that humble green, can make a huge difference in how strong and steady your legs feel. Why? Because spinach is loaded with nitrates, which naturally improve blood flow and muscle efficiency. Better blood flow means more oxygen gets to your legs when you walk, climb, or stand. That translates into less fatigue, better endurance, and more strength without feeling worn out afterward. But it's not just nitrates. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, which plays a vital role in muscle contraction and relaxation. If your legs feel stiff, crampy, or locked up, low magnesium could be to blame. Spinach is also packed with iron, which your muscles need to function. Iron carries oxygen in your blood, and low iron means your muscles can't perform at their best. And let's not forget vitamin K, found in abundance in spinach. Vitamin K helps build strong bones and may prevent fractures, especially in weight-bearing areas like the hips and legs. Spinach even helps neutralize oxidative stress, thanks to antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These fight off cellular damage that builds up over time and contributes to aging and weakness. The best part? It's easy to include in any diet. Saute it with garlic as a side. Toss it into omelets, soups, or stews. Blend it into smoothies, you won't even taste it. Raw or cooked, a few servings of spinach each week can make your legs feel lighter, faster, and more capable. Weak legs aren't just a normal part of aging, they're a sign your body is calling for help. And the good news is, you can respond with food. Sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, salmon, Greek yogurt, and spinach, these aren't just ingredients. They're powerful tools that fuel your body, support your muscles, and extend your independence. Start with 1. Add it to your day. Then 2. Then 3. Bit by bit, you'll start to feel stronger, more balanced, and more in control of your mobility. Don't wait until walking feels like a struggle or stairs feel impossible. Act now, because the best time to protect your legs was yesterday. The second best time is today. If this video helped you, tap like and subscribe to Wisdom of Older Age for weekly insights on aging well. And tell me in the comments, which of these foods will you try first? Until next time, take care of your legs, they carry your life forward.